Hey everybody, what's good? So I got a new wig from MYFIRSTWIG, and I basically want to show you the versatility of this wig, the hair texture, and I also want to attempt a style that I've never tried on a wig. So that's what we finna get into, okay? But first I want to go over the details of this wig with you all. This is the DORIS Malaysian Kinky Blowout Full Lace Wig, which is also in a kinky straight texture, and mine is 18 inches long. This is how the hair looks after being washed and air dried, and it looked like this when I received the unit as well. And as you can see, my fingers run easily through this hair, so it's very soft and manageable hair. This is a beginner friendly wig, so I found that I did not need to bleach the knots on this unit, and the hairline also came pre-plucked, so I did not need to pluck it myself. I didn't need to make any baby hairs, which is very helpful because I'm not really good at that step when it comes to customizing a wig. So I decided that I wanted to attempt a braided hairstyle on this wig, but the first thing I wanted to do was straighten out this kinky straight hair, mainly because I was just curious about how straight it would get. So I do have the flat iron up on 400 degrees, but y'all, I literally only had to do one pass on each section, and this hair got ridiculously straight. It kind of blew my mind. It super surprised me. Like, y'all see how bone straight and smooth and silky that looks? But it still looked like black girl hair. You know what I'm saying? It surprised me. So yeah, this is what I did. I straightened out the entire unit. Okay, so now that I have the wig all straightened, it's time for me to get into these braids. So what I did first was put the wig on my head to section out the hair that I wanted to use for the braids. And then I used T-pins to pin the wig down onto my mannequin head. This step was actually pretty vital because this is what helped make sure the wig didn't shift as I was braiding the hair. And then I also tied the hair in the back away so that it didn't get into my braids while I was braiding as well. Before braiding, I did make sure that the hair in the section was smooth to make braiding a lot easier. And then I also sprayed the hair with water to tame any of the flyaways. You can use a setting foam or mousse. I just didn't have that, so I just used a little bit of water, and that helped as well. And then I just with my hands kind of brushed out some of those baby hairs because the baby hairs would help make it appear natural. And then I just braided. This is not a braiding tutorial, so please do not ask me how to braid. I am still learning. I use YouTube videos to teach a sister how to do it, so please don't ask me how to braid. But this is where I'm gonna leave off and let y'all continue to watch me style this wig. So yeah, make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you haven't yet, and subscribe if you haven't yet, and follow me on my social media if you haven't yet. Alright.